So this was a doorbell button, a wireless one, which you can get for cheap from Amazon, basically. And I removed the battery, powering it from the VCC line or for the 3.3 volt line of the nodemcu module I have here. Also the blue wire is the signaling line for pressing the door button, basically. Fed through some inverting logic going on, transistors and level shifting to hook up the doorbell button, which is this one, to 5 volt and still being able to trigger 3.3 volt logic. This one is flashed to use ESPHome, which works great with home automation software like HomeAssistant. I think it's only HomeAssistant it works really good with. There is some basic configuration like doorbell button, then send a notification to down below. Some matrix channel. It can be any other notification source target you can configure for Home Assistant. This one is set up to use my matrix channel, and it's flashed using ESPHome. I really dig it. Just trying it out for the first time, and amazing how fast you can rig stuff up and make it work. And yeah, whenever I press the button, which is this one, this would go into the box on the street, and you trigger it, and this one triggers, and also the software side triggers and sends notification to, I don't know, there we go, to the matrix channel. Can be Telegram, can be push notifications using the app, can be, I don't know, there are lots of notification targets supported by Home Assistant. So, quick hack for a weekend, about an hour to do, not very complicated, all documentation is out there. Yeah, have fun.